Yesterday, December 7th, 1941, a date which will live in infamy. The United States of America was suddenly and deliberately attacked by naval and air forces of the Empire of Japan.
Be proud to wave the flag of the greatest free nation in the world. God bless America. We are Tora, Tora, Tora.
Come and relive one of the most infamous days in our nation's history. Tora, Tora, Tora is a high-energy, action-packed performance featuring authentic Japanese fighters and real-life explosions. Seymour Johnson Air Force Base in Goldsboro, North Carolina is hosting a Community Appreciation Day open house featuring Tora, Tora, Tora and the Wings Over Wayne Air Show, April 16th and 17th. Visit wingsoverwayne.com for more information. The gates will open at 8 a.m. and admission and parking is free. You won't want to miss it.